Hi, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. How much charcoal do I need for spit roasting? Now, as a rule of thumb, allow approximately 1 kilo of charcoal for every kilo of meat. Now, obviously there are so many variables which will determine how much charcoal you need. So what the ambient temperature is outside, whether it's windy, whether you took your meat straight out of the fridge and put it on the spit, or whether you let it warm up a little bit and have it at room temperature, which is always recommended. So that's just a rough guide. Now, of course, you don't put all of that charcoal on at the very start. What I like to do is put about half of that on and then use the rest of that quantity to top up throughout the cook. Now just remember, again, that is just a rough rule of thumb. You're always better off to have a little bit extra on the side just in case you need some more. And remember, not all charcoal is created equal. There's different types of charcoal. Some will burn at a lower temperature for a longer period of time, and some will burn hotter but will fizzle out quicker. Now, if you'd like to stay connected and keep upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.